Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Hi there. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name's John, and I'm here to answer any questions you might have. First, I can see you have your eyes on the new models. Great choice. Good news, you're right on time. We're running a sale now through the end of the month. If you have a specific color in mind, well, you can use the drop-down display here in front of you and see what the colors look like real time. Also, you can customize things like the wheels and the trim. Want to hear about our new fingerprint feature? Well, you don't actually have a door handle anymore. You use your fingerprint, and a fingerprint sensor allows you to get in, and it gives you up to 5 different people to program. Another cool option is our solar panel photovoltaic roof system. It's the state of the art and actually charges your car while you drive under the sun and serves as a sunroof so you can actually see the sun and the stars at any point in time. Gets better than that. Come check out the inside. We have a whole new display system here, all new comfort options in the seat, including heat, and a brand new GPS system, which allows you to self-navigate or auto-navigate to wherever you want to go. But that doesn't even get us started. You want to take it for a test drive? All right, buckle up. Let's go for a ride. Hey there. Welcome. My name's John, and I'm here to answer any questions you have. So you have your eyes on the new model. Great choice. We're actually running a sale now through the end of the month. Was there a specific color you're looking for? Well, in that case, you can use the drop-down display here in front of you to choose from a variety of different colors. And you can customize things like wheels, trim, and rims. Something really cool I want to show you is our new state-of-the-art solar panel roof system. It's not only a sunroof so you can gaze at the stars, but it has the state-of-the-art solar technology so you can recharge your car while you drive under the sun. One more feature I want to show you, we can turn the lights off, and as you see here, we have a new LED safety lighting system on the outside of the car so you can navigate where you're going once you get out safely. Want to check out the inside? Come on down. All right, take a listen. That is a surround sound system that cannot be beat. It's amazing. We also have a new display system here and GPS that allows you to self-navigate or auto-navigate using the map. How about we take it for a test drive? All right, buckle up, get ready for the ride of your life.